Hey guys, so if you are planning to buy Skoda Kylix signature variant, so there is one common issue that most likely you are also going to face, and that is related to the infotainment system. I wasted a lot of my time dealing with the dealership, Skoda dealership, and I was basically trying to get it resolved, but it turned out that there is no solution for it. Eventually you have to go for the accessories that they are selling, or you can go for the aftermarket. That is always an option. But if you're thinking, okay, I can buy a signature and it already comes with a screen, so I don't really have to go out and spend more. So hate to be like bearer of bad news. This system is not going to fulfill your needs. Basically this comes with Bluetooth and the wired connectivity, so you can use the cable and you can access CarPlay and Android Auto, but it does not really work like most of the time, at least in my case. And I posted a short earlier a few months back, and most of the people are complaining about the same issue. So again, most likely you are also going to face it. And the worst part of all is the dealership is not going to help you with this issue. Very first time I visited them, they basically factory reset the system and said, okay, it is fixed now and you're not going to face any issue anymore. But that was not the case. The very next day I was like, the whole hanging or not connecting, it was all over again. In my last visit, I told them that okay, again I'm facing the issue and how we can resolve it. So the technician tha, he politely said, okay sir, isme itna hi milta hai. And I was like, what do you mean by that? And he said कि आपको अगर wireless connectivity चाहिए, then you have to go for the third party system, that DHC system or something like that. And I was like, मेरे को वो नहीं चाहिए, and I just want it fixed. जो इसमें features आते हैं, that is Bluetooth and the wired connectivity, just get that fixed and I'll be happy person. So he said, okay, no, that is not possible, and इसमें ये issue आ ही रहा है. And he said, okay, अगर आप एक बारी supervisor से बात कर लो, and probably he'll be able to answer this better. And I spoke to him, and उस टाइम पे उन्होंने कहा कि हमने एक ऑर्डर कर दिया हमने 7-inch वाला स्क्रीन, and we'll replace it. And I was like, okay, that's fine. And one more thing, in the meantime I also called the person who sold me the car. I called her and I said, okay, मैम मेरे को ये इशू आ रहे हैं. तो उन्होंने मेरे को एक चीज़ बोली कि इसमें आपको ये इशू आएंगे ही, क्योंकि जब भी हम कार बेचते हैं ना, वी नेवर से दैट दिस कम्स विद वायरलेस कनेक्टिविटी, क्योंकि इसमें ब्लूटूथ सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. एंड दैट्स वाई वी ऑलवेज से कि वायर्ड कनेक्टिविटी के साथ आता है ये. मैं कहा दैट्स फाइन अगर ब्लूटूथ नहीं चल रहा है, बट आई एम ऑल्सो फेसिंग इशू विद द कार प्ले एज वेल. तो उस पर उसने कहा कि वो तो नहीं आने चाहिए. तो मैं कहा बट मेरे को आ रहे हैं. एंड शी सेड ओके लेट मी चेक. And then this supervisor told me that कि हम screen replace करेंगे. And anyway, fast forward few days, and I called him and he said कि सर हमारी वो जो request हमने डाली थी for new system, that is denied. Reason being कि ये इस वाले infotainment में issue आते ही हैं. तो अगर आप वो भी हम आपको लगा के दे देंगे तो it's not going to resolve the issue. Then I was like kind of very frustrated, and I said कि यार ये नई गाड़ी है ना, 2025 में आप बेच रहे हो, and basically it is not supporting the CarPlay with wire. I mean, so थोड़ा सा मेरी थोड़ी सी बहसबाजी हुई. And he said कि कोई नहीं, हम एक बार करते हैं, आपको रिप्लेस करके देंगे. एंड फिर थोड़े दिनों में मैंने उनसे फॉलोअप किया. एंड बाय द वे उन्होंने कोई कॉल नहीं की या कुछ ऐसे नहीं बोला कि आपका न्यू सिस्टम आ गया, आप गेट इट रिप्लेस. सो आई कॉल देम फ्यू डेज आफ्टर, एंड उन्होंने ये सिस्टम निकाला, नॉट फ्रॉम दे ओपनड इट फ्रॉम अ पॉलीथीन और समथिंग लाइक दैट, जो एक रैपर सा होता है, नॉट फ्रॉम अ बॉक्स. और जब इन्होंने ये सिस्टम कनेक्ट किया तो इसमें एक ऑलरेडी नेम आ रहा था, जिससे कि आई डोंट नो, सुनील्स आईफोन समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा भी कि यार ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है यूज सिस्टम है. तो कहते नहीं ये नया ही है, बट मोस्ट लाइकली 90% ये किसी और कार का उन्होंने निकाला होगा, सिग्नेचर वेरिएंट का, व्हेन दे replace it with their accessories. तो वही उन्होंने इंस्टॉल कर दिया एंड उसके बाद भी obviously they told me like right there right then that this is not going to solve the issue. Eventually you have to go with the other 10-inch or 9-inch system that they sell. So आपने अगर ये गाड़ी ली है एंड इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग द सेम इशू एंड यू थिंकिंग कि मैं स्कोडा वालों के पास जाता है एंड दे विल गिव यू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, सो डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, दे डोंट रियली हैव एनी सॉल्यूशन. Also, somebody told me that there is an update. One gentleman in the comment section said कि एक अपडेट है, आई थिंक 670 उसका आप सॉफ्टवेयर वर्जन पे अपडेट करेंगे तो आपका इशू रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा. तो आई स्पोक टू देम विया फ़ोन ओनली दैट कि ये कोई अपडेट आई है, सो इज़ इट गोइंग टू रिजॉल्व द इशूज़. सो दे कम्प्लीटली डिनाइड इट. दे सेड ओके, it's not going to fix the hanging or connectivity issue. It was for the system to restart हो रहा था, तो वो मैंने नहीं करवाया अभी and I don't really have any intention to go there and get it done because I'm not like positive कि उससे भी कुछ फ़र्क पड़ने वाला है. तो eventually अगर मेरे को ज़्यादा ये खटकेगा, although I got used to it, खटकेगा तो then I'll go for some other third party software infotainment system because जो वो बेच रहे हैं I don't really like it and it is kind of on a expensive side despite being a Chinese device. So anyway, I would say the overall experience with the dealership was not that great because that was not it. I was also facing issue with the some other issues and they were not able to fix it. So anyway, if you're planning to buy Skoda Kayak Signature variant, so you should know that eventually you have to get it replaced if you use CarPlay or use Maps frequently. So you have to use some other screen. So anyway, that was my whole experience with this Skoda. Hopefully I don't face any other issues, but if I do, I'll keep you posted so that you can make a good decision whether to go for this car or not. Thank you.